I got into loungewear. Is it lingerie or loungewear? Like pajamas for sleeping, feeling cozy and sassy and all that. So I want a soft life look. Do you understand? How do I use my own money to buy stuff for my son and have a rating of daddy? Daddy's meaning. It's all love, man.
It's your girl Hetty. Amen.
Hi, what's up? Okay, you guys, so I'm back and this is going to be part 2 of the unboxing video I was talking about the last time. If today is your first time, you're most definitely welcome, and if you're an old service too, thank you for always coming back for more. So in my pregnancy diary today, I am doing an unboxing video. I made the first video which was mainly AliExpress stuffs. Yes, you heard me right. The stuffs were so many from AliExpress that I couldn't go to that of Shein, so this is part 2. So if you're watching this and haven't watched the first one, please go watch the first one, because I have lots of stuff from AliExpress that I had no idea I was missing out. Okay, the stuff that I have from Shein, and I love that Shein ships everything all together. AliExpress, they ship them one by one, even though they've been trying. But so the first item is a Shein kit. I don't know if you guys can see. So let me open. Okay, let's check quality. Okay, so I got this in size 2 to 3 years. Okay, it's not bad, guys. It's not bad. It's a hoodie. I love this. I bought for him to be wearing in the house because he's outgrown the ones that he wears. I had wanted to go to town to do some shopping for him with daddy, but girl, I'm tired. I'm just weak. So this is the down, and this is the hoodie that goes with it. So you guys, it's cute, and all these things each was not more than 13 or 15 euros. Each pair wouldn't be more than 13 or 15 euros, somewhere less than that. So this, he's 2 years, so he can fit in now, and the material wise, it's okay. It's not like the ones that it would grow some hairs on after a while, and this wearing in the house is okay. The next one, inside of the material has this cozy blankety look, velvety look and feel, so it will be good even if he used to wear it outside. But this looks bigger than, or it's just my eyes. Yes, 2 to 3 years, but this looks bigger. So you guys, this is another one. And then the top, I got him all hoodies. It says Daddy's Mini. How do I use my own money to buy stuff for my son and have a rating of daddy? Daddy's Mini. It's all love. I love it. It's also a hoodie. It's cute. So this is the second one, also top and down. I got all hoodie for him, guys. I got all hoodie. Another one, it says Shein kits. Okay, so this one is also has that blankety, velvety, warm, cozy look inside and feel. And this is black. Oh my god, I love it. Has some designs here. It has some designs here. It's all black, and also top and down, top and down, top and down. Gonna be cozy. This is like, oh my god, this is really gonna be cozy. So he can't wear this in the house. He's gonna feel too warm. He's gonna feel too warm because the material quality, the outside is perfect. I'll give this 10 over 10 because I don't know if you guys can see this, but the material quality I am seeing here. And this is for 2 to 3 years. 3 years can wear it. And it says Boston. I love the color combination. gray, cream, and white. And then this is the down. I think I have 1, 2 pairs, 3 pairs. Hi, Baba. And then 4 pairs. So I think we have 1 pair more and we are done for baby stuff. Oh my god. Oh, you guys are sleeping on Shein and AliExpress for kids. Oh my god. Look at the doll. I love it. Okay, so this is just a simple, also kind of warmy, but I have to handle this with care because this has a bit of nylon, and if anything scratchy gets to it, it will pull out the. But it's cute. We are done for kid styles for toddler. My 2-year toddler, we are done. And then this first one that we did for AliExpress was for our incoming prince. Yes, I'm having another boy. And the rest of the styles are for mommy. Let's get it. I want a soft life look. Do you understand? I got into lingerie. Is it lingerie or lingerie? Like pajamas for sleeping, feeling cozy and sassy and all that. So this one, let's open. And I got it in size small. I will insert pictures from the website. I think that would be best because I don't have the strength for that. It is like pinkish, nudish, you know, kinda, and it has some details, black buttons and all that. Let me go back. This is how it is, and then it comes with the, of course, the pants as well, and it's in size small. You know, pajamas come in big sizes because you have to wear them to feel easy and next. So this is how long it is. It can cover my belly, but I'm not planning to use it now. I have this as the first set of lingerie that I have. I think I ordered four different styles for me. What's this? I don't remember. Okay, so I have this seamless breastfeeding bra without anything. The ones I have has this steel and and it becomes uncomfortable. So this is like a plain flat breastfeeding brassiere. Oh my god, it's thick, stretchy. Oh, this is going to be a lot easier. Sorry, black. I will be using this in the house because the one with the steel, staying all day, already going through postpartum with stress, and I love this color. Why am I working for? What am I working for? Let me give myself some soft life, okay? I have this. This is like a romper. Is this a romper? Let's just say a jacket. A jacket for your pajamas, okay? So I don't know if you guys can see it well. One set, and then the trousers. It's also a pajama, okay? I'll be using after break. Don't ask me why I got pinky stuff. I'm still in hope for my princess to come, guys. So yeah, this is how this is as well, and it has a spaghetti top. It is small, but it looks kind of big. Of course, I wouldn't want anything stressing me, so something loose and comfortable. If I'm to try it on and see that it is too big, like I said, I have a machine sitting right behind me. I'm gonna just stitch the sides up and just make it look extra sexy, because the fact that I want to be comfortable doesn't mean I just want to look like a maid. What's that? I don't know. Okay, yeah. I also have like the similar thing here, but this has a more nylon look, and this has more of cotton look, and this is the arms like this. So here is it. This is really long, And you know, normally at the hospital you go for checkups. Sometimes they take your babies and have to go for echography or scan and all that after birth, and you need something to cover up on your whatever that you're wearing. My first pregnancy, I just didn't know, and I was just going there with my short styles, and it just wasn't cute. So this is just 2 sets, right? So as I was saying, my first baby, I had only something like this wearing and just going up and down at the hospital in a wheel, you know, whilst people were there, and others had something to, you know, put on to wrap their dignity. So yeah, I have this spaghetti top, and this is easy for breastfeeding as well. You just drop one and then you take your breast out to breastfeed. So this and this. So we have the third lingerie. The last item I have, and we are done for the day, is this. It is cozy, my towel, and at the same time my jacket. You guys can't tell me shit. So this is a towel, okay? A towel stroke morning coat. I just put this on and tie this at my waist and come take care of my baby, because you can't tell me shit, because I don't need to go wear trousers before I come take care of my baby. So this is small, cozy, long enough, and it has this, and it has belt holes. As I said, I'm going to insert pictures of how whatever that I'm showing you looks on the website, so you get a gist. You guys, I'm done. I'll still leave links under this video and my previous video regarding all that I've had so far for, you know, second baby, my toddler, and then for myself for postpartum, or for now. So basically that is it. I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for always tuning in to my videos, vlogs and all that. Let me know what you want me to share, what you want me to do, review. I also have business videos as well. It's not only about, you know, maternity or motherhood. So if you are seeing this video for the first time, I am a beautician here in Italy. I'm into wig making. This hair is my raw hair bun straight. I'm 12 inches bob. It's lightweight, very natural with HD lace. And then I'm also into bridal makeup, bridal hairstyling, and I take installs and hair treatments in the salon. So we are practically in my salon filming, but I'm sitting at the couch area. So yeah, see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to like, write me your comments, what you think, what you expect, and share if you know a mom to be, if you know someone who'd be interested in a video like this, and subscribe if you love me, if you like this channel, and go watch other videos that I have on this channel, because I'm a 1 in a million, okay? I do lots of stuff on this channel, so it's only about motherhood. I share lifestyle videos, I do beauty, I do fashion, and I do business and everything in between, because I am that bitch. Sorry for using that words, but I'm just feeling myself. Say bye-bye. See you guys in my next video. Voila!